Hello everyone, today I am going to talk about parboiling of paddy rice. Well, my name is Vaibhav Raju Page and I am working as assistant professor at Department of Technology Shivaji University Kolhapur. Parboiling of paddy rice review. As we know, rice is one of the main staple foods of the world including India. Parboiled rice is a kind of processed rice. It is produced in some countries of Asia, principally India. According to research reported by Kairisty, Chizia, and Carathanos, parboiled white rice is 80% nutritionally similar to the brown rice. Do you know what are the objectives behind the parboiling of rice? Let's see the objectives of parboiling of paddy rice. The first objective is to improve rice quality. Second one is to obtain higher milling yield. Third one is to strengthen kernel integrity. Fourth one is to increase milling recovery, and last but not the least, to prevent the loss of nutrients occur during the milling, etc. Generally, parboiling process consists of 5 different operations. Let's see one by one. Okay. The first operation is soaking the paddy in water, that may be in a cold or lukewarm water, for 10 hours to 1 day in order to saturate the paddy with moisture content. The second objective is steaming paddy to achieve partial gelatinization of the starch. The third operation is drying the steamed paddy up to required moisture content. The fourth operation is husking to remove the husk from paddy kernel. The fifth operation is milling to remove bran from the kernel. This parboiling process has practice in many parts of the world such as India, Thailand, Myanmar, Malaysia, Switzerland, Spain, Italy, Pakistan, Sri Lanka, Guyana, South Africa, Bangladesh, USA and France, etc. Let's see other methods of parboiling process reported by the researchers one by one. The survey reported by the researchers Amadou Demuyokor, Dogbe, and Owusu shows that the process of parboiling have been categorized into three forms such as traditional method, modern method, and improved method, etc. Let's see traditional method, modern method, and improved method one by one. In traditional method, the paddy is not cleaned before soaking. In this method, person uses simple tools like earthen or metal cooking pots. Also, the intensity of heat supply is high in this process. Modern method employs special tools like tanks, electric heaters and steam pipes, etc. In this method, the modern equipments are using for soaking, steaming and drying processes. Improved method is a combination of the traditional method and modern method. Let's have a look on improved method. Please pause the video for 30 seconds and note down the processing steps involved in improved method of parboiling. What is the difference between parboiled rice and normal rice? The first difference between parboiled rice and normal rice is the processing difference. The second difference is the parboiled rice has a yellow tinted color, whereas normal rice has pale white color. The third difference is parboiled rice has a firm and chewy texture, whereas normal rice has a soft and adhesive texture. The fourth difference is parboiled rice has a strong distinct flavor, whereas normal rice has a light starchy flavor. Now I would like to summarize the video. Parboiling of paddy rice is an important processing technique that has many advantages such as physical and economical advantages. These are the references. Thank you very much for watching this video and don't forget to subscribe our channel.